Ashley, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Now today's video is going to be a plus size clothing haul summer edition, and some of the things that I've picked up to rock this summer. I did get some things from Forever21 and Rainbow, which are like my two favorite plus size stores. Like, I live for Rainbow and I live for Forever21. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Now I mostly got like dresses and like fitted skirts to wear because I'm trying to look cute in my body, my plus size body, okay? So the first thing I have is this pencil skirt, and it's in the color navy blue. And this is what it looks like. Let me find the tag so I make sure I put the back in the bag. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a navy blue pencil skirt, and I absolutely love how this fits me. It just hugs my body and it's so cute, and you can dress it up or you can dress it down. Like, I can dress this up for church and look modest, or I can dress this down and look sexy for a date night. So yes, I absolutely love this skirt, and I did get this in a 1X, so yeah, it fits really well. My normal size is like a 2X, but this is the 1X and it fits really well. Okay, so the second skirt I have is so cute. This is like a short fitted skirt. Like, oh my god, I love it. So it's pretty much black and white. Like, you can see it has this black and white design, and it's short. Like, this just fits me like right above my knee, and it's just so sexy and form-fitting. Like, I absolutely love this, and I got this in a 2X, and it's just so cute. I absolutely love this. Like, this can be rocked with like a crop top, or you can rock this with like a white peplum top, or I don't know, anything white would really bring off this skirt. So I absolutely love this skirt. Like, it is so cute. So this is the last skirt that I have, and this skirt is from Rainbow. Oh, by the way, those first two skirts were from Forever21. So yeah, those are from Forever21. And then this skirt is from Rainbow, and it's this nice printed, it kind of has like an Aztec print to it, and it's colorful. It got purple, pink, turquoise, orange. It's just really cute, and it's a pencil skirt. It's form-fitting. It's so nice. Like, I love this skirt, and this print, like, look at this print. It is gorgeous. Like, it is so pretty. This would look so nice with like a white shirt. I plan to rock to the white shirt. So yeah, this is so cute. I absolutely love this skirt, and this was so cheap. I actually got this off of the clearance rack at Rainbow, so I paid $3 for this. So this is just so cute, and I'm going to try to find all the pieces of clothing and link them down below if you guys want to purchase it for yourself. So make sure to check the description box for the items, and if I don't find the exact item, I will link a similar item so that you guys can kind of still get the same look if you guys have a particular look or vision in mind. Okay, so on to the dresses. The next three dresses I'm going to show you guys are from Rainbow. So yes, I'm so excited to show you guys them. So the first one I have is this cheetah print dress. It is a BODYCON dress. It's fitted. It's so sexy. Like, it's so nice. So it has pretty much the regular, it's a tank top style type of dress. It is so nice. I got this in a size 2X, and it fits me perfectly. It hugs my body and my curves, and yes, cheetah print is so sexy. Anyways, like, this is so nice. I'm gonna wear this to the club. I'm gonna wear this to go out. Like, I feel so sexy in that dress. Okay, so this next dress is literally my favorite dress. I literally have it on like every single day. Like, literally, I wear this dress at least once a week. And if you follow me on Snapchat, which you should, at LaydeeClarke, you will see me in this dress at least once a week on Snapchat. Okay, so this is the dress, and please tell me how beautiful this print is. Like, isn't it gorgeous? Like, it is so pretty. I love this print so much. It's so pretty. It's like an Aztec / tribal print. It is so nice. And this is the front, and as you can see, the back kind of cuts down a little bit lower than the front, so like a little portion of your back at the top is showing. But this is so cute. I love it so much, and it hugs my body so nice. Like, I love it so much. Like, I'm always wearing this. Like, This is like my staple summer piece. Like, look at the print. Like, just look at this print. It's gorgeous. Like, I love it. Like, I love this dress. And I also got that dress on the clearance rack at Rainbow, and it was $3. Okay, just $3. And I did get that dress in a 2X. Okay, so last but not least, I have this white Aztec / tribal dress, and it's pretty much the exact same style as the previous dress I showed you. So of course the back comes down a little bit further than the front, and it's white based and has these different colors on a tribal print. So it has blue, it has green, it has orange, and yeah, it has black in it, and it's really, really pretty, and I love how this looks on my body. Also, this I also got from the clearance rack as well for $3, and I got this in a size 2X as well. So that is pretty much it for today's summer clothing haul video, plus size edition. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to have another plus size clothing haul coming up really soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys will see when I upload that video. So yes, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.